This will be a kind of a quick review for the Lucas transmission fix. This product is designed, it's a lubricant that you just add right to your transmission fluid, and it actually can work wonders, especially if you've got a car or truck with high mileage and the transmission's starting to either slip or shifts rough. Then this stuff can do wonders. My wife has a 2008 Lexus that she loves and doesn't want to get rid of. Transmission started to shift rough, especially going from like reverse and then back into drive. That was the first time I'd ever tried this, and it made a world of difference. And since then, I've added this to every vehicle that we own. I just bought this one, and I'm going to add it to my F-150. It's real simple to add. It's all you have to do is turn the vehicle on, let it idle for a little bit so it gets warm, and then take a funnel and lift out the transmission where you would check the transmission fluid. Just lift that right out, put the funnel in there, and you add it right in. That's all you have to do. It's super simple to use, and the results, you'll start to notice it almost immediately. And it typically, in my case, it took a couple of days for it to fully, I think lubricate everything. But you could tell a difference. I could tell a difference in my wife's car right after the first. As soon as we put it in, took it for a drive, you could tell a noticeable difference. So now, it's worth mentioning this stuff's not going to work if you've got like a major transmission problem. If you've got, it skips an entire gear, or you can't get it in one gear out of another gear, this is really not going to work. You've probably got a mechanical issue there. Where this stuff shines to me is if it shifts hard, or it's got a leak, or if it shifts slow and sometimes it'll drag a little bit before it shifts. This is where, to me, this stuff shines. But I always ask myself, when I'm looking at stuff like this and I'm doing these reviews, would I buy it again? And the answer is yes. I would buy this again. Like I said, I just purchased this, and I'm going to put it in my F-150.